What if giving your body just a little more time between meals could clear your mind, boost your energy, and balance your hormones naturally? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain how this 17-hour fast will help you do just that. This fast helps trigger autophagy, your body's natural cleanup and repair process. I'm also going to explain how to do this fast safely and effectively. I'm Sarah Knight, an accredited nutrition coach and certified fasting coach, helping midlife women like yourself reset their metabolism and hormones through a 360 approach to health, blending fasting, balanced nutrition, emotional and spirituality. I help women like you understand what's really happening inside your body so you can work with your hormones, not against them, and finally feel at home in your body. Everything I share here is for education purposes and empowerment. I ask you to remain curious about your body and make those informed choices right for your own health. And always check with your healthcare professional if you have a medical condition or you do take medication. When I first started fasting, I wasn't chasing weight loss. I just wanted to feel clearer, calmer, and more like me again. When I tried a 17-hour fast, something shifted. The bloating eased, my energy lifted, and my mind felt sharper. That's when I realized that this Lent fast wasn't about restriction. It was about giving my body a chance to rest and heal from the inside. So if you've been feeling heavy, inflamed, or stuck in a loop of fatigue, then this Lent fast could be for you, as it's perfect to help your body rest and reset. What's happening in your body? Well, after about 12 hours, your insulin levels drop and your body begins using stored fat for energy. At around 17 hours, your cells start to move into a deeper repair state called autophagy. Think of it like a dimmer switch, slowly starting to turn on and get to work to clear out those old, tired cells and starting to replace them with new, more efficient ones. Autophagy is your body's built-in detox and renewal system. It flushes toxins and reduces inflammation, improves brain function by refreshing damaged cells, strengthens your immune system, which can help prevent illnesses like a cold, balances sex hormones by improving insulin sensitivity, and reduces cellular stress. For women like yourself in midlife, this process supports your mental clarity, hormonal balance, and energy restoration, while all calming the nervous system. To get the best results, keep your 17-hour fast clean and simple. Here are the basics. You want to drink water, minerals. You can have herbal tea and black coffee only. No sweeteners, flavors, or gums. They only interrupt the repair process. Aim for about 1.5 to 2 litres of water throughout the day. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt every second or third glass, up to about 1/4 teaspoon in total throughout the day. Or you can opt for another mineral replacement or an electrolyte, but do check these as many of them do contain sugar. Regularly taking this throughout the day will keep your minerals in your body stable and your energy steady. Do some gentle movements like walking or stretching, which are both ideal. You want to save those harder workouts for your non-fasting days. So how to do the 17-hour fast, step by step. The guidance I share here is starting in the evening, as it is often most popular, but you can do it at any time during the day that suits you. The same steps apply. Step 1, prepare the day before, which means hydrate well with water only and eat balanced meals during the day with protein, healthy fats and veggies. This helps your body ease into the fast. Step 2, start your fast. So that last meal, finish it around 6:30 to 7 o'clock in the evening, and make it a balanced one with protein, healthy fats and veggies to keep blood sugar steady overnight. Step 3, dim the lights. Turn off screens to avoid blue rays that will only interrupt melatonin, which is your sleep hormone, and let your body switch into the rest and repair mode before you sleep. Step 4, in the morning, hydrate with water only. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt to your first glass or an alternative mineral replacement, and you can enjoy a coffee or tea, but keep it black. Move gently, walk in, stretching, or do some breath work. These are all great. Step 5, the final stretch. This is where mindset meets biology. Take some deep, steady breaths and remind yourself your body knows what it's doing. Journal if you like, suggested prompts. What am I ready to receive? Step 6, at the 17-hour point, break your fast. Begin with a savoury meal of protein, veggies and healthy fats. Examples, eggs with avocado, salmon and greens or lentil soup and some olive oil. Before you take your first bite, pause, breathe, acknowledge what you've just done. You've given your body time to repair, restore balance and build resilience from the inside out. As you eat, breathe again slowly and give thanks for the nourishment returning to your system. Your body has worked beautifully. Now it's time to receive. Frequency tip. If you're new to fasting, begin with 12 to 13 hours most days for a couple of weeks. Then increase by an hour each week until you reach 16 hours, if that feels good for you. Once you are comfortable with this, add 1 or 2 17-hour fasts each week. This is a great practice to implement. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about rhythm. Importantly, there's no such thing as a failed fast, only learnings and healing. So now I've explained how implementing a 17-hour fast could clear your mind, boost your energy and balance your hormones. Let YouTube recommend my next video so you can continue on your fasting journey.